you will go out to the room today and you will have a safety conversation with your colleagues on site. You probably even go home tonight and you'll have a safety conversation without even knowing it. But that will be the measure of the success that we're trying to do to get people to have a safety conversation, and even know what you're thinking is.